Who was that?
No idea.
Oh, he seemed pretty happy though, didn't he?
Yeah.
All right, another neighborhood campaign successfully achieved. Meeting all my neighbors. Number one neighbor in the neighborhood coming right at you. Today we have a special video. It's not necessarily a construction DIY, but we've got the little man a Stokke Tripp Trapp high chair, and I'm going to be taking it, putting it all together today, and then seeing how he likes it. Hopefully he likes it because, I mean, it's not cheap.
Mm-hmm.